So today we are looking at Practice Probe 7 RPA1. First question says, for which situation does the money amount not vary directly with time? Keyword being not. So looking at answer choice A, working for 15 per hour, that would be a direct variation. Answer choice B, renting an apartment for $500 per month. That also would be a direct variation. Answer choice C, paying a cell phone bill with a charge of 35 cents per minute would also be a direct variation. Answer choice D, balance per month of a savings account receiving $5 per week. It does have the constant rate of $5 per week. However, it's also referring to the balance per month. The balance that this particular phrase is talking about is referring to is how much money is in your savings account. So if we were to make up some numbers here, and our X would be the number of weeks, and then our Y would be how much money is in the account, which is the word balance. What is the balance of the account? Now, to have a bank account, you have to have money in that account. So if we have 0 weeks, you have to have money in that account to open that account at the bank. So let's say your bank requires $100 to be in that account. To open that account, you're going to have $100 to put in it. Now, after 1 week has passed, if you're putting $5 in per week, you've got $105 in that account. After 2 weeks, if you've put another $5 in without withdrawing anything, you would have $110. Third week, $115. Now you can see that there is a constant rate of change. This is true. However, it does not go through 0, 0. It does not start at 0. So for that reason, that particular choice is linear. It starts with an amount other than 0. So it is a linear relationship. Question 2. Which situation describes an inverse variation? Keyword being inverse. Answer choice A. Letter A. 8 tiles cost 20 and 10 tiles cost 25. If you will look at your notes for inverse variation, it says the X times the Y should be the same thing, the constant. So if you multiply 8 times 20, that equals 160. If you multiply 10 times 25, you get 250. That is not constant. That is not an inverse variation. Letter B. 3 cats, 4 cans of food. That's 12. 9 cats, 12 cans. 108. This one is actually a direct variation. You're staying constant there, but that's not an inverse, not what we're looking for. Letter C, we've got 4 men move 2,000 boxes in 6 hours. 2,000 boxes from here to there stays the same. That's extra information we don't need. We can cross that out. So 4 men times 6 hours is 24. 8 men, 3 hours is also 24. Bingo. Inverse variation right there. D, just to check and make sure, 2 classrooms, 60 students, it's 120. 3 classrooms, 90 students, 270. Not it. Correct answer choice there is C. Third question says, which graph shows only a direct variation between x and y? So we are looking for a direct variation, a straight line through the origin as a graph. A is not it. B, straight line through the origin. C, straight line, not through the origin. Not it. D, we got a straight line right there, but it does not go through the origin, so it is not it. Correct answer choice for that particular question was B. Number 4, the question says, which graph represents a direct variation between x and y? Here again, we've got a straight line through the origin. Looks like a good choice. Not a straight line. Not a straight line. That particular graph is an inverse variation. It looks like a slide. That is also not a line. Not it. Number 5 says, which graph represents a direct variation between x and y? Straight line through the origin looks good to me. Straight line, but does not go through the origin, it's not it. This is an absolute value equation. If you'll look at the notes that I've given you under nonlinear, you will see that that's where that should be. D, it is a straight line. However, it does not go through the origin, not it. That's all we have for today. Thanks for listening.